subscribe. During quarantine, everything is just grey and dull. But today, we are going to cook something to make us happy. We have to be happy. We need to eat very nutritious food. It's so delicious. You will love it. I promise. Guys, these are the meat I'll be using in this dish today. You can add any type of meat in, so also you can add seafood. You can make with seafood, but I'm making with pork sausages and chorizo. I hope you learn the steps and enjoy this dish. I'm here dicing into pieces. It depends on the size that you like. Then transfer to the pan and further seasoning with paprika and other condiments. I love to cook
Okay.
with olive oil and magic cubes. It gives the extra flavor, especially the paprika. So tasty. A smoky type of flavor added to the dish. I'm here seasoning with aroma. Aroma has got a variety of condiments. It really gives that extra oomph to your food. Try it if you never done so. Paprika adds smokiness.
We'll be chopping up the shallots and the onions and tomatoes. Okay, I'll be back. Guys, for the sake of time, I chopped up all the peppers, onions and tomatoes and shallots and everything that I need to add to the pan. Also, we'll be putting a little bit of the tomato puree and garlic and also bay leaves. Okay, then I will add later on the chorizo and the sausages because it's already cooked. It's just to give that extra flavor to the dish, really. All right. Okay. How is this pork doing? Okay, steaming nicely. It's full of flavor. Seasoned with the garlic and ginger last night. So yeah, I'll leave for another 5 minutes, then I'll be adding the rest of the ingredients in here. So you guys have an idea, the beans are in here. There's no problem using the same spoon. These are the beans cooked for an hour and a half. So tasty, guys, so tasty. Then once this is done, you're gonna go all over in there, and I'll be cooking for another 45 minutes to an hour. All that flavor will be binding with the you know, with the beans and everything, and then I'll be cooking some basmati rice as well. So I'll leave this here to steam now for 10 minutes. Then I'll be adding the rest of the ingredients, such as the broccoli and the cauliflower and the rest of it. I'll be back. See guys, gone down. Now I can add the rest of the ingredients and leave it alone. Once this is done, I'll be adding to the main pot where the beans are. Alright, be back. Juices. Guys, we're going to cook the basmati rice in a separate pan. It's just a boiled, like the Chinese style, just boiled rice, because the main dish has a lot of nutritious value. Okay, it'll be just a plain boiled rice.
Okay, enough now. I'm gonna get serious. I mean, that was a happy dance because I'm gonna be eating an amazing food called feijoada. So guys, now we're going to add the sausages. It's the meaty part. So tasty, so yummy, just so delicious, so appetizing, mouth-watering. You have to try.
As the time has passed, so it's time to transfer this goodness to the beans, and that's how you do it. Okay, but I will have to come back and show you guys once everything is transferred to the main pot. Okay, I'll be back. So guys, I typically cook in a bigger pan, but I just thought to risk it and add everything in this one here. It's like a medium to large, and all I have to do now is leave to cook. Everything will be binding together, pairing together, just like a perfect harmonious marriage. Okay, I'll leave it for an hour in a slow fire, well, in a slow heat, because these flavors has to really marry together in order for you to understand and appreciate this dish. Okay,
is ready, as you can